aftermarket. All right, oil filters, that's what we're going to talk about today. On my left, I have a Nissan oil filter, and the part number is 15208-9E01A. Here, we have a K&N oil filter, HP 1010, and it says it's premium efficiency and capacity. The wrench off X nut on the top. Here, you can see the wrench being used on it, right? Plain box, no frills. Back here, what you see is all the other engines that would be able to use this oil filter. It's not exactly up to date. I bought this, I don't know if it was old stock or not. And what I know for sure is that this part number is current for the VK45DE engine. I use it and I use it on my M45. I use the same filter on my M56. And I also use it for my imaginary Nissan GTR. We're working on that. This one here, obviously I bought this for the VK45DE, and they're gracious enough back here to give you a list of all the other oil filters that will be compatible with this oil filter. So all these oil filters here would be able to work with your VK45DE engine, okay? Or any other one that requires this part number right here, 15208-9E01A. No frills box. Size, does size matter? I don't know. This box is bigger, you know, on the footprint. It's a little taller as well. Just feels beefier, you know. As you can see, it's got a lot more pizzazz going on for it. This is a plain box. Tells you got an oil filter. At best, it tells you what other engines it would go into. Well, whatever language that is. Is that French? Probably. Okay, so let's unbox these, you know. Maybe I should split that into another video. Unboxing videos are usually nice. So here, I like this. I like that you get a sticker here. And this is a reminder sticker. I usually write my current date, current mileage, and whenever you anticipate to do your next oil change, or when you should be doing it, right? So that's really nice. Does that justify the premium of this filter? I don't know. I think I bought this recently for $13 from Walmart. This one here, maybe they're usually about $9. I really can't remember very well because I buy mine in bulk. I buy them by the box, and I bought it from an eBay vendor, and I think at the end of the day I ended up paying about $5 per oil filter. That's my preference. I like using OEM because I know it was made for the car. So here, again, all it tells you is the part number, and yeah, part number in 2 languages. Let's open them. So there it is. Here's the hex nut that you use to easily loosen your oil filter. Let's set that down here. Then here's the other one. I heard a little bit of a rattle. In here, you have a drain plug washer. I usually like replacing those whenever I do it. They're pretty cheap, about maybe 99 cents each, or even less than that. I really can't remember, but the vendor that I bought this one from was kind enough to include that in there. Why not do it while you're in there? Well, so again, does size matter? Obviously, you can't judge a book by its cover, because these filters, to the naked eye, to the layman like you, like me, look to be the same oil filter, with one just a little shinier, a different shade of white. So same height, same diameter, from what I can see here. And maybe this one's wrapped a little more tightly with that plastic. Inside, they look to be the same. Maybe these holes are just a little larger. Does that mean it's better? I really don't know. Looking inside there, though, very, very similar. This is the Nissan one on the left again. All right. Very similar to me. So usually when it comes to oil filters, you can go on YouTube and you can go on the, you know, on any other forum, websites on the internet, and you'll see people arguing as to what brand is better. And, you know, dedicated people have usually even cut the oil filters to tell you which one's better because of filter material, cardboard versus metal mesh, drain back valves. This is not one of those videos, and you're right here with me 4 minutes in thinking, why are you watching it? Honestly, the only purpose I'm making this video is because, one, I like sharing information, and this is just a supporting video for this document right here. I'll be posting in the forum and showing that, hey, this is a list of other oil filters that you could use for the V8 guys. They usually say there's not much out there, with the V6 engines, with the G37, M37, 350Z, 370Z, Maximas, whatnot. There's so much information out there, but just try to make sure that the V8 people don't feel all the way left out. All right, so that's going to be it for now. Let's put all these back together, and we'll install this. Yeah, why did I even buy this if I don't like using them? Because of the supercharged car. I'm just going to use this. I'm not saying it's any better, but since someone is paying for it, might as well just have a receipt for it. Okay, goodbye and good luck.